Hi everyone, I am Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribed the channel, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get some more videos about grammar. Today, as you know, we have got the ditransitive verb set from active voice into passive voice. Before starting this from active voice into passive voice, we need to put a glance on the definition of ditransitive verb. You can also pronounce it D. So di or D means to, and transitive which can be changed into passive voice, and verb which shows an action. So those verbs which need two objects and can be changed in passive voice into four ways are called ditransitive verbs. Ditransitive verbs need two objects and can be changed into passive voice in how many ways? Four ways are called ditransitive verbs. Keep in your mind, ditransitive verbs need one direct object and one indirect object. And it needs two objects because for the meaning, if you put one of the objects, the meaning won't be clear and understandable. For example, suppose I say today's verb we will take the example. And what are the direct objects? All non-livings are called direct and all livings are called indirect object. If we put one of the objects, the meaning won't be clear and understandable. If I say you sat him, now over there the meaning totally changes, that how do you sat him. And if I say you sat a function, now see whom you set a function for. So for that, if you write them together, you set him a function. Now over there the meaning is clear, that you set for him what? A function. And you set a function for whom? For him. So here the meaning is clear and understandable. And if you want to bring the indirect object at the end and direct object at the beginning, so your indirect object him will be followed by a preposition. Suppose if I say you set a function for him. So this is the way to change it from active voice into two ways. Now main target is how to change it from active voice into passive voice into four ways that we will be discussing. Today we have got the present perfect tense, and it is used for those actions which started in past and having result in present. And we will be having the simple sentences of the present perfect tense. What are simple sentences which make simple statement? We will change the color of the pen, it is not visible clearly. So when we change the simple sentences into two ways in active voice, those will be as followed. They have set us internet, they have set internet for us. Now main target, how we are going to change it from active voice into passive voice. Keep in your mind, when you're this doer of an action subject, they, when you bring in the place of object, like you make it by them. So keep in your mind, here by them won't be called the doer of an action, but it will be called the agent. And what is agent? Which we are talking about. And definition of agent is that agent tells us who does an action in a sentence, or it does an action in a sentence, or agent does an action in a sentence. You can define it in different ways, but keep in your mind here your agent will be the doer of an action. And keep in your mind whether you bring the indirect object or the direct object in the place of subject, here the indirect and here the direct object. So that will be called here the title subject or the topic subject. And what do we mean by title or topic subject? A person, place or a thing in a sentence which we are talking about is called title subject or topic subject. So here we are talking about we, and here we are talking about internet. And in the same way, if you bring we, the indirect object at the beginning in first and second sentence, so by them will come at the beginning, internet at the end, internet at the beginning, by them at the end. And when you bring internet, so by them will come at the beginning, for us at the end, for us at the beginning, by them at the end. So sentences will be as followed. We have been sent by them internet, we have been sent by them internet, we have been set internet by them, internet has been set by them for us, and internet has been set for us by them. Next we have got the negative sentences. Those sentences in which we deny the statement, reject the statement and refuse the statement are called negative sentences. They have not set us internet, they have not set internet for us. We have not been set by them internet, we have not been set internet by them, internet has not been sent by them for us, and internet has not been set for us by them. Next we have got the interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question and put queries are called interrogative sentences. Have they set us internet? Have they set internet for us? Have we been set by them internet? Have we been set internet by them? Has internet been set by them for us, and has internet been set for us by them? Next we have got the formal sentences. What are formal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in a formal way, polite way, respectful way, and we use it with our elders and with our seniors and with whom you are not free with. Now, have they not set us internet? Have they not set internet for us? Have we not been set by them internet? Have we not been set internet by them? Has internet not been set by them for us, and has internet not been set for us by them? After that we have got the last informal sentences. What are informal sentences? Those sentences in which we ask question, deny the statement, and we ask them in an informal way are called informal sentences. Haven't they set us internet? Haven't they set internet for us? Haven't we been set by them internet? Haven't we been set internet by them? Hasn't internet been set by them for us, and hasn't internet been set for us by them? So these are the sentences of ditransitive verb set from active voice into passive voice in the present perfect tense. Hope you got today's lecture. Wish you best of luck. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.